we'll guide you through how to determine if Paint.net is safe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Paint.net website by typing getpaint.net into your browser. This is the official source and the safest way to download the software. Once you're there, check for any security certificates or HTTPS in the URL, which indicates that the site is secure. Next, download the latest version directly from this site, avoiding any third-party download sites that might bundle unwanted software or malware. After downloading, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. During installation, pay attention to any additional offers or software that might be bundled with Paint.net. It's always best to decline these unless you know and trust them. After installation, open Paint.net and check for any updates by going to the Help menu and selecting Check for Updates to ensure you have the latest security patches. You can also use a reputable antivirus program to scan Paint.net after installation for any threats. Additionally, visit forums or online communities to read recent user reviews about their experiences. This helps verify that others have not encountered any issues. Always ensure your operating system and security software are up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you can confidently determine that Paint.net is a safe tool for your image editing needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.